This is a 1931 Riley Monaco, and she is indeed a rare and elegant British classic. This Riley was restored about 40 years ago and has been dry stored for the past 30 years. Pre-war Rileys are highly sought after owing to their rarity, rich heritage and classic styling. This beautiful car does require some light restoration work and recommissioning to get her back to her former glory. As you can see, the original interior has a nice patina about it, and the driver's seat requires some attention, but it still looks fantastic inside. Although she does need some fettling, she is still a very well-preserved car. All four corners seem to be in nice condition, and she is showing only 3,583 miles on the clock. This car would be a fantastic project for collectors and enthusiasts alike to bring her back to her original glory. She even comes with a handbook to help you along. Come and see this fabulous timeless classic at Frank's Motor Company in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcompany.co.uk.